Hi there, my name is Teacher Pearl of Native Camp. Why do we need to learn English? Because English is like a human heart. We cannot live without it. It can also be used around the world. So, what are you waiting for? Do you want to learn the English language in a very fun, easy, with no hassle? Come to my class now. I'll make sure I will give my 100% in each lesson for you to learn. Mata ne!